More reactions to U.S. President Trump's mass deportation executive order.
Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy G and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. In this video guys, we're going to be discussing something that is looming over Jamaica, the mass deportation by President Donald Trump from the United States of America. Now we all know that a lot of Jamaicans would have taken the opportunity to move to the United States, whether legally or illegally. However, with the looming chaos from President Donald Trump, he's planning a bloody mass deportation in an attempt to get rid of all illegal immigrants from the United States. I'm gonna show you guys another video, and after we watch this video, then we'll have a discussion and I will share my perspective on the whole situation later on. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification bell, turn on all post notifications so that you will never miss another upload from us. Join us on the next side.
With threats of mass deportations in the United States, there is a view that the Jamaican government should prepare itself. O'Shane Masters explains.
Sir, can we expect ICE raids starting tomorrow in major cities?
What does that mean?
Can we expect ICE raids in major cities?
I don't want to say when, but it's going to happen. Has to happen, or we're not going to have a country left.
U.S. President Donald Trump standing firm on his promise to rid the United States of illegal migrants. And Jamaica, like any other country globally, has to fall in line with the possibility of many Jamaicans being deported back to our shores. It's something which is of concern, as many of these individuals left the island when they were mere children and have never looked back. Now, with the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency ICE to step up raids based on the advice of the president, at least one political commentator wants the Andrew Holness-led government to start looking at the possibilities of the influx of people. Lloyd B. Smith is, however, hopeful that there will be a delay in the deportation of individuals, but in the interim,
I would suspect that the government would have to look around and see if it could find maybe some space where tents could be put up and that sort of thing to provide temporary shelter and food and clothing and whatever else is necessary. Also, once these persons arrive, there ought to be social workers involved to determine who they are. They must have relatives, some of them. I don't think all of them would, and I would want to think that relatives could be brought into the picture to assist some of them.
He said, however, that there may be some reprieve at the start for Jamaicans, as the focus of the Trump administration currently is on Chicago, where there are few Jamaican nationals.
My concern would be when the focus is on Florida, because we know that a lot of Jamaicans are in Florida illegally, as well as in the tri-state area, New York, Connecticut, and that area. So, but for now, if it is just Chicago that he's going after, as we were told, then maybe, just maybe, we won't get that full impact for a few months or so.
Mr. Smith noted that the country's economy may also face another issue on the financial front.
Remittance flows into Jamaica have remained one of our major foreign exchange inputs, and if there is any dramatic decline over a period of time, then it could affect the macroeconomic dynamics. So clearly that is something again that the government may have to look at in terms of how it plans its upcoming budget.
The White House on Friday said the deportation of illegal immigrants from the United States has begun as it shared photos of people boarding a military aircraft. Deportation flights have begun, Caroline Levitt wrote. President Trump is sending a strong and clear message to the entire world: if you illegally enter the United States of America, you will face severe consequences.
So there you have it guys, the promised bloody mass deportation has begun, and we know that it is going to affect Jamaica in a significant way. We trust that the government will put certain measures in place as well to safeguard the influx of deportees that will be sent to Jamaica from the United States. And though it is distraughful for many persons who would have not regularized themselves over the years to be sent back to Jamaica, it is all a part of the plan of the incumbent government in the United States. So get yourself straight if you not get yourself straight yet, because ICE is coming. So remember guys, let's continue this conversation down in the comment section, and if you have not yet joined the JC's family, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, man, and hit all post notification bells so you never miss another one from us. Stay connected and join us on the next one. And as we always say on this channel, Jay says, and we are out of here.